Hey guys, it is Thursday. We still don't know who the winner of the election is, but by the time this is uploaded, we might. This is going to be a quick update video. This design, I have been working on it, but I just can't seem to figure out the belt yet. I tried making another motor bracket, but it broke off. I think I made that hook a little bit too big of a diameter. And this is our old belt design. It had that problem of sliding out this way. And I designed this new belt right here, which fits right into these guideways that I have right here that I've printed. And those bolt right onto the existing structure. So I think the guideways are going to work, but all in all, the belt design, it's still the fastening that I need to figure out. I tried printing my own Velcro type thing, but it's super hard to print, especially since the printer isn't super accurate. So we'll see if I'll be able to do anything like that. And getting it to the right tension is super difficult. It's going to be a real design challenge to figure that one out. But I think the guideways themselves will be just fine. But it does need to wrap around in order for it to work. Because if I try applying a voltage, I don't think there's enough pressure keeping it in the guideway. Well, that one worked alright actually, but still probably gonna need a lot of work. So it could be the next couple episodes aren't even about this, maybe quick updates, but all in all, I really need to give this some thought to figure it out. So hopefully I'll have something for you guys soon. In addition to that, what's coming up is something pretty special in my opinion. We're going to solve a very important problem, and this is the secret ingredient. So these are nylon micro porous membranes. So you can see these have a diameter of 50 millimeters, and the 0.45 micron measurement, I believe that is the average size of the pore. So let's see if we can take one out of here. I've had these for quite some time, luckily, and I didn't know I would need them, but I'm glad that now I know that I do. So the idea is that gases can pass through these membranes, but liquids cannot. They're used for a lot of gas-liquid separation applications, and we are going to take advantage of those properties for what I consider to be a pretty big problem with web shooters, and so it'll be interesting to see if we can accomplish something with that. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be some very sciencey stuff coming up, which I really like. I really just have a short experiment for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Now, you guys have seen me on my skateboard before, but one question I've never really asked is how fast can it go? Now, the skateboard isn't the most heavy duty on the market, it's not the fastest, but it does have a good balance of abilities. For one, it has several features like a light in the front, which is something that I didn't even expect it would have when I got it, but there it is, and it really helps me ride at night. In addition to that, the craziest thing is that it's actually foldable. Now, the skateboard also has several different modes that I can use depending on the environment that I'm in. You've got safety mode, cruise mode, sport mode, and eco mode. Let's try out safety mode. So it looks like our max speed is only about 10 miles per hour. This makes sense because safety mode is designed for use in urban areas where it's crowded and you don't want to go too fast. So it limits your speed for the sake of you and those around you. So with that said, cruise mode should be a lot faster. Oh yeah, it looks like we're getting a lot more speed here. And it's all well and good until you hit a pebble. Now, as frustrating as that is, I can usually avoid a wipeout about 99.9% of the time. I believe Sport mode is for really hilly terrain, so we'll see if it's any faster than Cruise. It's not as fast, but it's close. I believe Eco mode is for conserving battery life, so it's a more efficient way of riding. So it's not as fast as Cruise, but a little bit faster than Sport, but I'd be willing to bet that Sport is better at going up hills. Now it's important to note that the max speed of this board doesn't seem to break 15 miles an hour. This is in contrast with what the website states when they say their motor can go up to 18.6 miles an hour, but I'd be willing to bet that was for the non-loaded motor, i.e. just the skateboard itself. Now I want to reiterate, while this skateboard isn't the fastest or the strongest on the market, it can fold, and that's really cool when you can put a skateboard in a backpack. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will probably just be uploading these guideways to the SDL drive today. Nothing really else was discussed. The belt is really not worth uploading. It doesn't work yet. So yeah, I want to give a special thanks to my patrons. Jeff Zachary Woodhurst, Green Ninja, The Arachnids, Christopher Jordan, Nicholas Sykes, Caleb Choice, and Spider Noah. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week.